Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be answering the question how to see private account posts on Instagram. So the answer is you can't. There's no way to view private Instagram posts on Instagram. You have to be following the person to view them. So there is no app or no website, nothing like that, to view private Instagram posts. As you can see here, there's this account that's private and I cannot view any of the posts. And there's no hack or trick to get around it. You just have to follow them back or request to follow them, and if they accept you, you'll be able to view their posts. Maybe if you're like a really good hacker or something like that, you could do it, but I would assume you'd get banned pretty fast. So there is no way to do it. Don't waste your time trying to find a way to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below, and any other questions like this, I'll try my best to answer them, and I will see you guys next time.